Okay, hi students, how are you? Good morning. So this is your Hema Prashant biology coach from Chakra Academy. Today what we are going to discuss, we will discuss, okay? So before we are discussing something, we will interact few things. Now you tell me, we all, okay, from where? We all are from, actually where? We all are from where? From where we are coming? எங்கிருந்து வரும்? कहाँ से आ रहे? Okay, you tell me, no, from where we all are coming actually? From your parents, isn't it or not? From our parents. Okay, we all are from what? Our parents only, isn't it or not? So what actually we are resembling them, isn't it or not? Slightly we are resembling them. Okay, slightly we are resembling, and some characters also followed from the parents, some characters also transferred from the parents. So how it is actually happening? How it is actually happening? Do you have any idea about it? Do you have any idea about it? So okay, we will discuss about that today. Okay, we will discuss something about that today. So okay, you see, no, so today we are going to discuss about the topic called genetics. Okay, we are going to discuss about the topic called genetics. Okay, is there any doubt? Am I audible? Am I visible? Is there any problem in my visibility or in my audibility? No, right? Shall we enter into the class? Okay, listen. So today we are going to discuss about the topic called genetics. So in the genetics, several topics are there. We don't know the basics also, right? நம்மளுக்கு basics தெரியாது இல்லையா? So we'll learn from the basics today. Okay, so we'll learn from the basics, so that only when we are going to in depth, okay, that time we will understand what is what. Okay, so that is why, remember that. Okay, so that time you will understand what is what. Okay, in the genetics, what are the topics are there in the 12th standard, sir, if you ask me? So many topics are there. Like in that we will discuss molecular basis of inheritance. Okay, we will discuss molecular basis of inheritance. Okay, in this we will discuss what? Molecular, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, what is that? Molecular, okay, molecular basis of inheritance. Molecular basis of inheritance. Okay, molecular basis of inheritance. Inheritance. Okay, so what is that molecular basis of inheritance? What do you know about molecular basis of inheritance? Tell me, no, here before, what are the things you have studied about it? What are the things you have studied about this molecular basis of inheritance? Tell me, no. So in this lesson, molecular basis of inheritance, what we will be discussing, no, maximum about this molecules. Okay, maximum about this molecules, especially we will be discussing about this molecules. What molecules are present in the body? What molecules are present in the body, we will discuss. So we all know, if you take your body, from the body, if I am going to take a small amount of skin, okay, from the body, if I am going to take a small amount of skin, okay, what I am going to take? A small amount of skin. That skin only, what do you call? For example, you see, no, I am going to draw a ladka here, okay, one small ladka is there, okay, small ladka is there. From this ladka, I am going to take only a small sample amount of, okay, skin, okay, small sample amount of skin, okay, small sample, or else a small, okay, you just keep it as a small amount of tissue, small amount of skin. So this small amount of skin only we call what? Tissue. We call what? Tissue. Okay, from the whole body I have taken a very small amount of skin. That amount of skin only we call tissue. If you see the skin, okay, if you see the small amount of skin, that is we call tissue. Okay, if you observe it under the microscope, so many round structures will be there. Okay, so many round structures will be there. What is this actually? If you take the, what is this actually? Group of cells. Okay, what is this actually? Group of cells. If I am going to take only one cell here, okay, if I am going to take the only one round structure, okay, only one round structure, that looks like this. Okay, that's going to look like this. What is this outer layer called? Plasma membrane. What is this outer layer called? Plasma membrane. What is this outer layer called? Plasma membrane. Okay, what do you call it? Plasma membrane. Okay, so that is called as what? Plasma membrane. Why, sir? Why do we call it plasma membrane? What is the name behind it? Why we have to call it plasma membrane? Why we should not call it Surya, Ajit, all these things? Why we have to call it plasma membrane? Why? Why, I'll tell you. So inside the cell, if you see, okay, inside the cell, if you see, we have liquid. Okay, inside the cell, what do you have? Liquids. Okay, what do you have? Liquids. So liquids, because okay, in English, what do you call? In the science, what do you call in the sense? Plasma. So inside the cell there is a liquid, so it is covered by a membrane. So that is why we call it what? Plasma membrane. Only plasma membrane, sir? No, it is also having some, okay, different names. At another name we call cell membrane. Okay, at another name we call what? Cell membrane. இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன இதுக்கு? Cell membrane. Why do we call it cell membrane? Again, what is this actually? We call it consolidatedly, we call it cell. So since, okay, the cell is bounded by a membrane, we call it cell membrane, okay. So since it is bounded by a membrane, we call it what? Cell membrane. Is there any doubt in this? No. Now inside, I told you know the jelly like substance, okay, the liquid like substance, okay, what do you call that? That is called as cytoplasm, okay. That is called as what? Cytoplasm, okay. That is called as what? Cytoplasm, okay. That is called as what? Cytoplasm. Inside the cell, a major, okay, a major organelle, if you see inside the cell, a major organelle, if you see inside the cell, a major organelle, if you see, so that is what we call what? That one we call what actually? The major organelle. That major organelle we call what actually? We call it nucleus, okay. We call it what? Nucleus, okay. We call it what? Nucleus. So remember that it's very, very important. So that is why I have taken this entire thing for you. So we are going to discuss what? Nucleus only. Inside the cell, so see that one organism is there. From the organism, not an organism, it's a boy only, a small boy. From him we have taken what? Tissue. From the tissue what we have taken? One cell we have taken. Inside the cell what we have? Nucleus we have. What we have? Nucleus we have. Inside the nucleus only what do you have? We have nucleic acid, okay. We have what? Nucleic acid, okay. We have what? Nucleic acid. Is there any doubt in this? So as of now, what are the things we have discussed? You see that one man we have taken. From him we have taken one tissue, okay, a small sample of tissue we have taken. From that sample of tissue we have taken only one cell. Inside the cell what are the things are there we were discussing now. So outside the cell, the membrane we call plasma membrane, or a cell membrane we call it. Inside the jelly like substance, that we call what? Cytoplasm. What do you call? Cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm again, the major organelle, okay, the major organelle. What is that major organelle called? Nucleus, okay. What is that major organelle called? Nucleus. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in this? No, right? Shall we move further? Okay. So okay, now you see what is nucleic acid. Already I told you. See that other again the same ladka, it's quite beautiful, okay. The same ladka is there. From him what? One tissue they have taken. They haven't taken tissue and all. I have taken tissue. From the tissue, okay, from the tissue only what they are doing? They are taking one cell. Inside the cell what do you have? Inside the cell you have what? Chromosome. Inside the cell what do you have? Chromosome. Inside the cell what do you have? Chromosome. From the chromosome, for example, you take a teddy bear, okay. For example, you take a teddy bear, okay. I'm going to draw like this only, okay. For example, you take a teddy bear. Sorry, it's not coming properly. Wait. Okay, if you take this kind of toy or teddy bear, you take like this, okay. Imagine it as a teddy bear only. It's not actually like a teddy bear, but imagine it is as a teddy bear. So if you see, so for example, when you see a thread is hanging outside the teddy bear, when you drag the thread, automatically what will happen? Okay, so much of thread will be coming out, isn't it or not? So much of thread will be coming out. Nariya nool ilukku enna vandirukum, nool vandite irukum. So like that, when you imagine this is a chromosome now, when you, okay, there will be a small hanging in the sense when you are dragging it, what do you find out in the sense? You will be finding out the DNA. You will be finding out the DNA. So now you tell me where is the DNA? Now you tell me where is the DNA? Inside the nucleus, inside the chromosome only you are able to find out what? DNA. Inside the chromosome only you are able to find out what? DNA. DNA full form what? Deoxyribonucleic acid. That and all we will discuss. So nucleic acid means what, sir? We will discuss now. Nucleic acid means what? Nucleic acids are complex biomolecules, okay. What is it? Complex biomolecule, okay. What is this? Complex biomolecule. I'm sorry, it's coming different shape, okay. What is this? Okay, so what is this actually? Complex biomolecules. You have one more chapter in the 11th standard, I think, so you would have studied it, okay. That is we call biomolecules, okay. That is we call what? Biomolecules. In the biomolecules chapter you have studied so many things. Adoda basics da idu again. It's very simple only, okay. Chapter matter, salt water only, okay. Don't panic, it's not a that rocket science kind of topic and all. Nucleic acids are what? Complex biomolecules that stores, okay, that stores and what? Transfers genetic material, okay. Transfer genetic material or genetic informations, okay, in living organisms. In living organisms, first thing, if they ask what is nucleic acid, what you have to write? So nucleic acids are the complex biomolecules that store what? that store and transfer genetic informations in living organisms. I told you we all are what? Human beings, okay? We all are what? Human beings, and we are also living organisms. So we have some resemblance of our parents and grandparents and the characteristics. And for example, if your mother hair is very curly, okay, உங்கள் அம்மா முடி வந்து ரொம்ப சுருட்டையாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா உங்கள் அப்பா முடி ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா what will happen when it is combining together? You will get a wavy hair. Okay, so certain amount of transformation or informations your mother and father have given to you, through that information you got some structure of hair. Okay, and also if you are fair, if you are deeper in tone, whatever your height, you are tall or you are dwarf, everything what? Everything based on this nucleic acid only. Everything is based on this what? Nucleic acid only. Where is the nucleic acid? Now tell me, now where is the nucleic acid? Inside the cell, inside the nucleus, okay, inside the chromosome only you have what? Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is nothing but what is nucleic acid? Nucleic acid is nothing but what? Your DNA only, okay, your DNA only we call what? Nucleic acid. Is there any doubt in this? No, right? So shall we move to next further? Okay, and one more thing I forgot to tell. So I told you, okay, consolidatedly you call this what? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So a small segment of DNA, okay, a small segment of DNA only you call what? Genes. Okay, a small segment of, okay, DNA only you call what? Gene. Okay, so that is why we have named this, okay, entire branch itself we call what? Genetics. Okay, that is why we call it what? Genetics, because each segment of the DNA we will be studying. Okay, each segment of the DNA we will be studying. That is why this chapter name itself what? Genetics. Is there any doubt in this? No, right? Shall we move further?